This unfortunate situation with outstanding Reggae Boys goalkeeper Andre Blake missing an opportunity to play in the English Premier League because, as per the rules of the English FA, non-European players must play international football for a team ranked in FIFA's top 50. So with Jamaica ranked outside of the top 50, Blake or any other Jamaican player cannot be signed directly into English football. And that is what blighted the chances of goalkeeper Blake. And we understand Kmart Taxi Lawrence after it was reported that a couple of EPL clubs were interested in these players. But yo, this is straight discrimination. The rationale of the English FA is to ensure that only top quality foreign players come into their leagues. But those rules are based on the false premise that top-ranked nations have all the elite players. International football don't run so. Players have absolutely no control over where they were born. So any lowly ranked international team can have top quality individual players. So these rules are based on hypocrisy and covert discrimination. You all realize that if a European team is ranked 200 on the FIFA list, and let us say Jamaica is ranked at number 51, English clubs are free to sign players from that number 200 ranked team, but cannot sign a player from Jamaica, no matter how outstanding that player is. And it's that reach Andre Blake and Taxi Lawrence. And look, it's for them league, it's for them rules, and it's for them country. But this is injustice. It is discrimination. It is blatant injustice and discrimination. And I feel it's racism. It's a black and white business, like my jacket.